Dear students, today I am going to discuss about chemical reaction of alcohols. Remember that alcohols are versatile compounds. They behave both as nucleophiles as well as electrophiles. Now, let us see how this alcohol can behave as nucleophile as well as electrophiles. See, in case of alcohols, there is a ROH bond. So the reaction will be three types on the basis of the cleavage. See, if the reaction involve the cleavage of OH bond, that is by removing H plus, it becomes an alkoxide, and this alkoxide act as a nucleophile. Okay, so first category, reactions involving cleavage of OH bond, that is in which alcohol act as nucleophiles and removal of hydrogen occurs as a proton. See the example. Alcohol, lone pair of oxygen in alcohol attacked a carbocation and it formed an ether by removal of H plus, that is by removal of a proton. Here cleavage of OH bond occur and alcohol behaves as an nucleophile. Second type of the reaction involving cleavage of CO bond. Here cleavage of CO bond occur, and in that case first this alcohol get protonated and then removal of water molecule occur and it form an electrophile. So reaction involving cleavage of CO bond occur, then this alcohol act as an electrophile. Okay, so first type cleavage of OH bond, second type cleavage of CO bond. Another type is reactions in which both the hydroxyl and the alkyl group participate. Here both the cleavage of CO bond and CH bond occur, and by the cleavage of CO bond and CH bond it form an alkene. So in alcohol there are three types of chemical reaction. Firstly, cleavage of OH bond, secondly cleavage of CO bond, thirdly both cleavage of both CO and CH bond. You see and read the three different types of reaction depending on the cleavage of different bonds. Now see what happen when the cleavage of OH bond occur. See, alcohols react with active metals like sodium, potassium, magnesium and aluminium also, and it form alkoxide with the evolution of hydrogen gas. Okay, the hydrogen atom of the hydroxyl group is replaced by the metal atom. Understand the reaction? When alcohol react with active metal, it form alkoxide and hydrogen, and here hydrogen atom of the hydroxyl group is replaced by the metal atom. Okay, what is indicated by the reaction? This reaction indicates the acidic character of alcohols. So reaction of alcohols with electropositive metal indicates that alcohols are slightly acidic in nature. So it can donate a proton to a strong base and can act as a Bronsted acid. Again, alcohol can donate proton to a strong base and can act as a Bronsted acid. Now, see, when alcohol gives the proton, it forms alkoxide ion. It forms an alkoxide ion. Again, when this alkoxide ion react with water, it forms the corresponding alcohol. So when the alkoxide ion react with water, it forms the corresponding alcohol. What is indicated by this? This reaction shows that water is a better proton donor than alcohol. See, in other words, you can say that water is a stronger acid than alcohol. Water is a stronger acid than alcohol. We can also note that alkoxide is a better proton acceptor than the hydroxide ion. See the example. Base RO, that is alkoxide, absorb proton from acid. It form the corresponding alcohol and conjugate base, that is hydroxide ion. So from this reaction we can state it that two information, that is water is a better proton donor than alcohol. In other words, water is stronger acid than alcohols and alkoxides are stronger bases than hydroxide ion. Okay. Now see, what is the cause of this acidic character of alcohol? Why this alcohol show the acidity? Why this alcohol can give this proton? The acidic nature of alcohol is due to the presence of polar OH bond. Oxygen being more electronegative than hydrogen, to electron, this oxygen electron withdraws from the OH bond towards itself. As a result, the OH bond becomes weak and alcohols exhibit acidic character by donating its proton to a strong base. So, this alcohol shows its acidic character due to the presence of polar OH bond, and oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen. It attracts the bonded electron pair, and for this reason they can donate this proton. This is the cause of acidic character of alcohol. Now, you know that alcohols are weaker acid than water. But why? Why alcohols are weaker acid than water? The alkyl group, by its electron donating inductive effect, increases the electron density of oxygen. Again, the alkyl group, by its electron donating inductive effect, increases the electron density of oxygen, and as a result polarity of OH bond decreases. As the polarity of OH bond decreases, these alcohols shows weaker acidity than water. Okay, understand? Now we see the order of acidity of 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol and 3 degree alcohol. See, as the number of electron releasing alkyl group increases, the polarity of OH bond gradually decreases. As you know, the electron donating R group donates electron towards oxygen atom, and for this the polarity of OH bond decreases. As the polarity decreases, the tendency to give proton also decreases. So, the decreasing order of acidity of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols are as primary alcohols are more acidic than secondary alcohol, then tertiary alcohol. Okay. Due to the order of acidity, the rate of reaction of alcohols with sodium decreases gradually from 1 degree to 3 degree alcohol. That means which alcohol is more acidic can react with electropositive metals more easily. Okay. And you see the tart butyl alcohol, which is a 3 degree alcohol, it's a very weak acid, so it reacts slowly with electropositive sodium atom. Therefore, relatively more electropositive potassium is normally used to prepare it alkoxide. Sodium, electropositivity of sodium is not enough to react with this tertiary alcohol. For this to prepare alkoxide, we have to use more reactive potassium metal. Okay. Now, I am going to discuss about acidity of phenols. Phenols are weakly acidic in nature, but you remember that phenol are more acidic than alcohols. Phenols turns blue litmus paper red and react with alkali metals and alkalis to form their salts. But what is the difference between alcohols and phenols? Remember that alcohols, however, do not turn blue litmus paper red and do not react with aqueous sodium hydroxide solution. So, phenol is more reactive than alcohol and it can show the change of color of blue litmus paper to red. So, this is the characteristics difference between alcohols and phenols. So, this test can be used to distinguish phenols from alcohol, this litmus test. Okay. See, sodium react with active metal, it forms sodium phenoxide, and sodium also react with aqueous sodium hydroxide to form sodium phenoxide. Okay. However, phenol is a weaker acid than carboxylic acid. Therefore, like carboxylic acid, phenol does not react with sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. Okay. Now see why this phenol so acidic character. The acidic character of phenol is because of the presence of polar OH group. The hydroxyl group in phenol is directly attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene ring. This OH group is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon of benzene ring, which act as an electron withdrawing group. This benzene ring act as an electron withdrawing group. So it electron withdraws from the CO bond and this becomes OH bond more polar, and this OH bond become more polar and so it easily remove H plus. It is easily remove H plus. Okay, as this benzene ring act as an electron withdrawing group and it increases the polarity of OH bond. As a result, it easily gives H plus ion to its aqueous solution and show its acidity. Okay, and you already know that phenols are more acidic than alcohols. See, it can be described by the resonance structure of phenol also. See the first resonating structure of phenol, and you must see the 3, 4 and 5 structure. You can see that there is a positive charge on oxygen. Oxygen carries a positive charge, so its tendency to easily remove the proton. Its tendency to easily remove the proton. So phenols are more acidic than alcohols. Again, you also describe this by using the resonance structure of phenoxide ion. See the resonance structure of phenoxide ion, and it is highly resonance stabilized. So phenols, by giving H plus, it form highly resonance stabilized phenoxide ion. That also the reason of phenols are more acidic than alcohols. Okay, see the video and read it. Okay, I hope you can understand. If you have any problem, you can face your doubt in GMAT class. Okay.